Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and I am looking at a potential, of course, inverse head and shoulder is visible on the 4-hour chart on the US dollar and Canadian dollar. So FairBinaryOptions.com. So looking at this inverse head and shoulder with some interesting eyes, as of course it is a bullish formation. Why it is a bullish formation? A head and shoulder is a reversal pattern and normally comes after a bullish trend, and we should go and look and buy put options when such a pattern is visible. But this one is the inverse head and shoulder, and it means that the market actually is forming or is trying to form a bottom here. The main characteristic of a head and shoulder, or for a head and shoulder, is the spike into the head, a spike lower that is quickly retraced. And while this is a 4-hour chart, we should take all the clues from the left side of the chart and project them on the right side of the chart. And one of the clues would be this trend line here. Now this trend line here, if you go and take a look at it, it means that every time the market was being, let's say, bought before the head of the inverse head and shoulder pattern came here, so every time there it was support. So normally this is a support level. Then that would be given, or this will give our neckline to the upside as well. This will be the neckline, and the target, if you want, for the if you decide to go long, let's say, or to trade on the regular spot market, then just wait for this 1.10 to come, and then I would exit the longs. But here we are trading binary options, and on binary options we only need for price to move a bit in our favor. If you look at the consolidation level, or the time taken for the left shoulder to consolidate here, and then you project this amount of time approximately on the right side as well, you are actually seeing that more consolidation is needed. However, again, for the binary options, we only need for price to move a bit here to the upside, and your option, or the option, would expire in the money. Therefore, I would favor here call options, not necessarily for a break higher or for the measure move of the inverse head and shoulder to come, but as this is previous support area given by the projection of the neckline to the downside, so previous support area where price hesitating on the left side of the chart normally should be enough for finding support area or price to hesitate on the right side of the chart. So let's write here on the screen that I am buying put options with end of week expiration date for the US dollar and Canadian dollar, and the main reason for it is previous support turns into resistance, and of course support from the left side of the chart projected on the right side of the chart, and it should be enough for our option, in this case call option. As a reminder for the ones of you that do not know what a call or a put option is, when your analysis points towards a higher direction or higher values for the currency that you trade, then that means it is a let's say you're looking to the upside. That means you need to buy call options. In order for the call option to expire in the money, then at the expiration date, in our case end of week expiration date, so at the expiration date, price should be bigger than the striking price. What is the striking price? Well, the striking price is exactly this price here where we are supposed to buy the call option, 108.80, as you can see. So if at the expiration date, and that would be on Friday when the US markets are going to close, so if at the expiration date price is going to be bigger than the striking price, then that means that the option is profitable, it expired in the money, and we'll have ourselves a nice return. If you want to find more details about how to trade a head and shoulder formation, then just go on our website of FairBinaryOptions.com, and then go under the educational part. I'm talking about the Binary Options Academy, of course, and then check there to see what is the let's say what are the projects there, and you will find the Head and Shoulders right at the beginning of that program. Thank you for being here again, fairbinaryoptions.com, and this is call option recommendation for the US dollar and Canadian dollar. Bye bye.